guys, so we're back and today we're doing Boxycharm Premium. This is for the month of June. So if you're interested to see what I got in my premium box for $35, stay tuned. Okay guys, so it's me, Bethany, back doing another Boxycharm. And this is the $35 box, which is the middle one. This has a retail value of over $175, and you get at least 6 products, full size. Let's see what we got. So I haven't opened it, I just got it. Weight of the box down below on the screen. So let's open this up. Doesn't want to open. Okay, so here we go, sneak peek. All right, so we have a card. Woohoo! We have a card. And this month for June is Oasis, and I have variation 34. If you're ever looking for your variation number, it is down here with a list of all the products and their price. At the end of the video, I will leave the total value for this box. Remember, it's supposed to be over $175. So let's see if it's worth it. First up that I see is Lashaholic. This actually was my choice because I didn't like the other things, to be quite honest. So let's open it. It's a nice package, purple, and the lashes are called They're Real, I swear. These are actually right up my alley. If ever I knew how to put on these lashes, these would be for me. This is so cute. $14.99 retail value. And it says they're 100% silk lashes created on a lightweight soft cotton bond that will leave your eyes loving you. Okay, another look. They are gorgeous. All right, next I see is this brush. It is a double-ended brush, very soft. And this is the Sculpting Duo brush by Billion Dollar Brows. They are very soft. These are this is retailing for $30. Woo, that's pretty steep. You go right back in there. I do love brushes, but I like more of a set and more of an eye. So that will probably go on a giveaway, but however, it is very nice. Okay, next up. Ooh, Glow Recipe. This is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Moisturizing and firming for dry to normal skin. So it's 70 mLs or 2.37 fluid ounces. And you use this, you scoop a dime size amount onto the hand as a final step of evening routine. Gently pat into the skin for optimal absorption. But I'm probably gonna use it for both the mask and the sleeping mask. You can use 2 to 3 times a week. I'm just gonna open it here. Wow, the color is just so beautiful, and it is glass. Oh, no scent, which is good for your face. I dropped this, but this is so pretty just to put on your vanity. So now I have the watermelon, I have the avocado, and I have the blueberry bounce. That retails for $49, so worth it. Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel for $22. It has a delicate fragrance of yellow flowers and a vibrant Sardinian summer day. I do see that it says it's free of phthalates, parabens, and mineral oils. So it's the Italian collection, limited edition. It is made in Italy. That is awesome. Shower gel with notes of myrtle, lemongrass, and wild orange. And I did actually get to go to I can smell a little bit. I did actually get to go to Italy in 2018, so I'm so glad I got to go. And there are oranges everywhere. They're so good. So I see why this has oranges in it, and the foot cream that I got in my FabFitFun has oranges. It does say on the back that it's cruelty-free, organic farming. This is slightly opened already. That's weird. It's like it ripped. But anyway, this is the KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Long Wearing Matte Eyeliner, $20. And let's see the color. Trooper Black. Okay. It's like a whole process. Oh, it's this little thing. Okay, so I got one of these in my Boxycharm last month, the Wave one. So this is really cute. At least it's black.
I am shocked.
Shocked, but it is Too Faced. Wow. The Cocoa Contour Coconut Infused Contouring and Highlight Palette. I am shocked because I didn't think I was going to get this. This is $44 retail, and let's open it up. I'm not even sure I'm gonna use it, so I just wanna open it up to show you. It comes with an insert. So no eyeshadow palette for me, but this beautiful packaging right here. And it's gold on the other side. And there's no insert, but this is very nice. These colors are great if you are like fair to medium skin, but I could see how even this dark, deep contour wouldn't be dark enough for some complexions. So it is very nice. It's very pretty. The highlights are on the top row and the contouring are on the bottom, and they look like little chocolate bars. And it smells, oh my God, it does smell like coconut. It smells just like chocolate. I don't want to put my face in it because then I have to keep it. This is beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let's put you away, pretty thing. That might be in a giveaway. And if it is, in the giveaway, I will let you know that it's there. Okay, so to sum up, we got the Lashaholics Lashes, the Cocoa Contour, we got Shower Gel, $1 Billion Brush, and the Avocado Sleeping Mask. So overall, this was by far way better than the last premium. So I'm happy with that. Was it worth $35? Of course, because even just getting this paid it off, and I'm happy with that. So definitely better than last month. Let me know down below what you guys think. Like, share, subscribe again, and thanks so much for watching, guys, and stay safe.